morning. It's a beautiful Friday, and today I'm crushing on this flower right here. I don't know if you can see it. You see? Oh, it's so good. Wow. See the lines from there. Let me see. And then it comes like green. Flowers are not green and white. All the flowers here, most of them are green and white. You see? Green and white. But this one down, super cute. Super cute. Look, still green and white. This place is so good. So good. I mean, so good. Dream Island. Green and white. Island get towers. Today, I feel bad when I see kids stepping on them. Irrigation here is a must. I mean, a must. But look, it's good. See the lines from there. Let me see. From there, and then it comes like this. No, this in the background. You see, there is big trees. See, this tree is green. The flower is white with a yellow in the middle. So cute. So cute. This is green with pink flowers. Green. And then look at this. It's green with a pink flower. So cute. So cute. Wow. Beautiful. Very nice. Just change the camera for you guys to see. Look. It's super good. Look at the place. Eh? Hey. Look at that. Look at this one. Green and white. Oh my god. There is a way they organize everything so good. So beautiful. This is Dream Island. Get towers. Yeah. You see? There is Get Tower 1, Get Tower 2, and this is Get Tower 3. Yes. Today, my crush was on these flowers. Look at them. Look at them. Such a cute flowers. I feel bad when I see kids stepping on them. My goodness. See the effort they put in. You see those black pipes? It's for irrigating it. Because you all know it is a desert country. So irrigation here is a must. I mean, a must. Look, they put in more effort to make the environment look good. See the lines from there. Let me see. From there, and then it comes like this. No, this in the background. You see, there is big trees. See, this tree is green. The flower is white with a yellow in the middle. So cute. Look at this. Oh God. So nice. Wow. 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 The environment is so good. So clean. building. There is stones on the building, and then this is grass, this is flowers, and this is where we walk through. And this stones and more flowers. This is green with pink flowers.